Hola chicos, it's Profe Hernandez here, and in today's video I will show you how to turn in assignments on Schoology, following 6 easy steps for your success. Before we begin, it is important that you make sure that you've already logged into your Schoology account and that you've selected the correct course where you want to turn in the assignment for. So once you've done that, you're ready to begin the 6 steps for success on turning in an assignment on Schoology. So the very first thing that you're going to do is you're going to find the assignment. So because you already selected the course where you want to turn in that assignment in, now you see a screen that looks like this with a materials tab. So make sure that you open the correct folder for the assignment that you want to turn in, and then make sure you locate that assignment. For the purpose of this presentation, let's pretend that the assignment that I have to turn in is paper number 1, paper outline. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and double click on paper number 1, paper outline. That is the name of the assignment, and I will be ready for step number 2. Step number 2 says, read the instructions carefully. And I say that with all caps because it's very important for your success that you read the instructions very carefully so that you make sure that you get the best grade that you can get. Okay, so please make sure that you read the instructions carefully, and once you've done that, you're ready for step 3. Step 3 says click submit assignment button. So on that very same screen on the right hand side, you see the button that says submit assignment. You're going to go ahead and click that button, submit assignment. Okay. And side note, if your assignment is on Google Docs or Google Slides, you're going to need to follow these 3 extra steps in order to download the assignment onto your laptop, Chromebook, or computer so that you can upload that assignment to Schoology. So if your assignment is not on Google Slides or Docs, and it is already on your laptop or computer, you can skip these 3 extra steps. But if your assignment is on Google Docs or Google Slides, please follow these 3 extra steps. So once you have your document open, whether it's a document or slides, you're going to go ahead and click on the far left, File. That's step 1. Then you're going to scroll down to Download. And then you get this extra menu of options, and you're going to go ahead and double click on PDF document. Okay. And once you've done those 3 things, the document from Google Slides or Docs will now be saved onto your laptop, computer, or Chromebook so that you can upload it. Okay, so we may continue with the rest of the steps. So let's step back a little bit. Step 3, I've already clicked submit the assignment button. And now I have this pop-up screen on my computer screen. And I'm going to go ahead and click on File, the first button that you see here with the little papers. You're going to go ahead and click on that button. All right, once you click that button, you will see this pop-up window appear with all your computer documents. Go ahead and find the document that you want to upload. Okay, so I have found and highlighted my document. I'm going to go ahead and double click on the assignment, and that is going to upload that document to Schoology. Okay, and that takes me to step 6. Once I've already uploaded my document, I click submit so that it can submit on Schoology, and you should be able to see your document right here. Okay, so once I hit submit, that is it. My assignment has been submitted. I have followed the 6 steps to success. Okay, but if you're like me, you want to make sure that your assignment actually submitted, right? So I have an extra tip for you. You're going to return to the assignment, okay? And when you return to the assignment screen, instead of seeing submit assignment, you're going to see the tab here that says assignment submitted. Okay, so that means that your assignment has been submitted. And if you want to be extra careful and you want to make sure that it really was turned in, you're going to go ahead and click on assignment submitted, and you will be taken to this screen where you will be able to see the document that you have uploaded, your assignment. Okay. So if everything looks good for me, right? I'm just going to exit out. Okay. You can also possibly see comments by your teacher if they have left any, right? And in the event that you accidentally turned in the incorrect assignment, right? Or that your teacher is asking you to resubmit your assignment with some additions, you're going to go ahead and go back to the assignment screen, and then you're going to go ahead and click on resubmit assignment. When you hit resubmit assignment, you're going to follow the 6 steps for success to upload your assignment to Schoology, and voila, you will have your second resubmission uploaded to Schoology. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you still have any questions, please feel free to message me on Remind and on Schoology. Adios, chicos.